Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools and jumping straight to sources. That's where the debugger runs. Pause briefly to locate your script file in the file tree, then click it to load the code. Once done, use the pretty print button for minified code so lines align with logic. Make sure to enable live editing so you can set real breakpoints. This initial focus saves time and prevents chasing errors in the wrong file. You now set strategic breakpoints where you expect issues. Click the line number to add one and run the app to hit it. When logic depends on state, create a conditional breakpoint so execution pauses only when a condition is true. Once paused, step through code with F10 to step over, F11 to step into, and Shift plus F11 to step out, inspecting scope variables and watches. As you probe, modify variables in the console. Finish by tracing the call stack to understand how execution reached the breakpoint. That tells you why a value is wrong. Edit code inline for quick experiments, save, and refresh to validate the fix. If behavior persists, clear cache and hard reload, and verify source maps if using transpilers so your breakpoints map to original code. One key troubleshooting tip: if breakpoints are ignored, toggle the Disable JavaScript option and re-enable it to reset breakpoint state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.